Hello everybody, this is a little video of just me unboxing my new fan that I got from my sister for the baby's room. It's 44 inches LED Clarkston 2 it's called. We got it from Home Depot just a few days ago. So I'm just gonna unbox it, let you guys see what's in it, and we can go from there. And you guys can at least see what you're dealing with before you even buy it, so you know what's up. I'm not gonna do the install video today. We're gonna do that probably later on or tomorrow. We'll do the install video separately, but at least you can see everything that's inside the box right now, all right? So this is the box, this is what it looks like. You see the back? Hopefully you can. Maybe you could zoom in a little bit and be able to see it. All right, so that's what that all looks like. Let's take it out of the box. This is what I just got. Well, my sister just got, so we'll see what she just got. Let's see. So on top we have the instruction manual, which is right here, user guide. So much, let's try to use that as much as possible. Then we have the blade set right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's got 5 blades, so we got 5 blades set right here. So this is going to be 5 blades that we're going to be installing. So that's that right there, 5 blades. So take that, put that, that's garbage. So these are the brackets for the blades. So we'll see these are all the brackets for the blades. So we'll take these out real quick. Should be 5 of these as well then, I guess. They're wrapped in different plastic. Some are wrapped in bubble wrap, some are not. So that's a little weird. I don't know why. Hopefully that's not because this was a return and they pieced it back together. I don't know. Hopefully it's not. But they all match, but you know, I don't know if the bags don't match. It's a little weird. So, all right, so that's all out. Here's the light fixture right here. Has 3 lights in it, as you can see. Here's the wiring harness. Here's the pull string right here in the center. I guess that's just for the lights. So we have wires right here that get pushed in, or I guess we wire them and clip them and put them in. That's what it looks like, see? So there's 2 wires that come off. So it looks like they want you to use some kind of push pin in there. So you can use that, or you could just cut it off and wire it up yourself. So we got that in there. Here's all your accessories in this little bag. Big screws, washers it looks like, just some more screws, a long pull string it looks like, and that's about it. So that all looks like it's in there. Let me just make sure. Okay, so they give us a light bulb. Hey, I was gonna say free. Obviously it's included with the price. It's not free. But 800 lumen, 60 watt replacement, 9 watt, Eco Smart. I'm pretty sure this should be an LED bulb because that's all they get out in that right now is LED bulbs. So this is 800 lumen LED bulb. So we'll test this out, see how bright this is. But there should be 3 of them, right? Because there's 3 light fixtures. So let's see. Let's make sure we pull this out, and there should be 3. Because that doesn't, okay, count them. That's it, there's 3. Okay, we got 3, we got another one right here, and we got another one right here. So we got the 3 light bulbs right here, 1, 2, and 3. Here's the cover for the base. We might install a remote control in here, we're not sure yet, we gotta look into that, but this is the base of it, what it looks like. So we're hoping I can fit a remote control receiver in here if we want to do remote, and then we can remotely be able to control it. So we'll put that up there. Okay. let's see. Here's the plate that goes up to the ceiling right here. As you can see, it's pretty hardcore plate, pretty thick. So that means the fan shouldn't be that heavy. It's not that big of a fan. As you saw in the beginning, it's a 44-inch fan. So it shouldn't be that, crazy, but they do give you heavy-duty plates. This is a very heavy-duty plate that they're giving you right here. Take the plastic away so you can see. Here's the glass caps that go over the lights. I'm not sure how these go on right now. They're probably in there somewhere. So those are glass. They're kind of frosted glass. These are frosted glass as well. But it's still going to be very bright because this is going to be open. So it's going to be very, very bright. With 3 light bulbs in a small bedroom, it's going to be very bright. So that's all we are aiming for, is for it to be extra bright, and we need it to be. So here's the motor. I'm pulling the motor out right now. Here's the motor. Motor's got a separate pull string on it. That's going to control the fan blades and the motor, I guess. This is what the plate looks like right here. That's going to connect onto this one. I don't exactly know how it's going to connect right now. I didn't read the instructions. This is just a view of me opening up the box and showing you everything that goes to it. But obviously it's going to go this way, and it's going to go this way, and these very big screws right here are going to go into these 3 right there. Because actually 4, right? It should be 4, yeah. 4 screws are going to, 1, 2, 3, 4 heavy duty screws are going to go into there. So that's kind of how it's going to work. We got to read the instructions. This looks a little bit different than the older fan blade assembly that we had a couple years ago. And that's everything that's in the box. So that's everything you're going to get. So this is just a review, opening in the box, everything you're going to get inside of it before you install it. So yeah, you'll be able to check it out and install it. See, it says LED right there. So has 3 LEDs. It's going to last a while. It's going to be great. It's going to create enough, hopefully enough CFMs for the room. It's a couple inches away with that plate anyway. They recommend 10 inches, but that plate looks like it's going to give us maybe 8 inches of space. So that's going to be really close to 10, which is going to give us a lot of airflow. So that's going to be great. And like I said, I'm hoping this, if we ever want to do a remote, this will be able to fit the remote in there. So we have to measure the remote out before we order it, not just waste our money or waste time ordering something that doesn't fit. So that's everything that's there. All right. So thank you everybody for watching. If this video helped you out, please comment down below and subscribe to my channel for some more reviews on some other products that I buy around the house that maybe will help you out in do-it-yourself projects or whatever else you got going on around. Please comment below, or if you have any questions about any of the products that I'm using, please comment below as well and ask the question, because by the time you see this, I'll probably be using it for a few weeks, so I'll have an idea of how this thing works and if it's really good. So please, like I said, leave comments below and subscribe. Have a good day, enjoy, and hope this helped you a lot. Bye-bye.